Hi everyone, Toby at Diabetes Every Day. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's early May of 2020 and I still feel that I need to address issues important to diabetes related to the continuing epidemic of coronavirus as things change. This week, I want to talk about the potential for meat shortages in your grocery due to outbreaks of disease in meatpacking plants around the country. You may already be seeing this. What I'm really talking about is the possibility you may have to change the source of protein in your diet if you and your family have been getting your protein primarily from meat. And I have two concerns. First and foremost, you need protein in your diet for good health. Secondly, with diabetes, we want to be sure whatever adjustments we make don't end up substituting more carbohydrate for the missing protein. Protein is made from amino acids, and to be honest, your body doesn't care if it makes insulin or hemoglobin with amino acids that came from a fine filet mignon or from quinoa. We need about 20 amino acids to make human proteins. Most we can make from other amino acids, but 9 of those we must get from food. They're called essential amino acids. Foods that contain all 9 of these are called complete protein foods. Meat provides high-quality protein, but if severe meat shortages become a reality, consider eggs or egg whites, fish and shellfish, fresh, frozen, or canned. Dairy products, milk, yogurt, and cheese also provide high-quality animal protein, although milk and yogurt also contain carbohydrates, so you'll want to work that into your diabetes meal plan. Here is a quick rundown of other ways you can get plant-based proteins. Soy offers protein, calcium, and iron. Tofu is a good source of protein and low in carb. 3 ounces provides 8 grams of protein. Edamame, a 1/2 cup serving, offers 8 grams of protein, and tempeh, 3 ounces, provides 11 grams of protein. And these are found in the produce section of your grocery store. But keep in mind that they contain protein and some carbohydrate, so make sure to check the label. There are also many quality soy-based meat substitute dishes. Try them. Quinoa, a grain, offers a complete protein and a source of carbohydrate. 1 cup of quinoa provides 8 grams of protein. Beans are a great source of protein too, and have the added benefit of fiber that helps with stabilizing your blood sugar. Plant-based milks are another way you can get protein. Make sure to look at the nutrition facts label under grams of protein and also total grams of carbohydrate as you're making your decisions. Nuts, nut butters, and seeds. Remember that both nuts and nut butters offer protein. And did you know that 3 tablespoons of raw, hulled hemp seeds contain 10 grams of protein and 15% of the daily value for iron? And chia seeds contain 4 grams of protein in a 2 tablespoon serving. So this is all good news. There are many options to get your protein to meet your daily needs of approximately 20% of your daily calories. Cheers to your health.